biggest wealth transfer in history, millennials are having a civil war over $68 trillion, and now millennials are even mining cryptocurrencies like Ethereum in their Teslas. Hey guys, it's Kylan. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can navigate the biggest wealth transfer in history and how you can come out on top and make as much money as you possibly can. This wealth transfer is about $68 trillion from baby boomers to millennials. It should start around this time and now would end around 2030. I mean, that's cool, but what does it mean for the average investor? It means that businesses that are being passed down from generation to generation are going to be very wonky in this time and very unpredictable, and no one's going to know what's happening with them. Due to wealth transfers like this one, over 60 to 70% of businesses that get passed down to just the second generation fail. And businesses that get passed down to the third generation, over 90% of them fail also. Not only that, but the companies that do manage to survive might have a very hard time in the next 5 to 10 years getting adjusted with these new people and surrounding themselves in a better environment and a good environment so that they can work better and actually make their business grow. So this means that family businesses and some small caps are not going to be the best investment right now, or could be a very, very good investment. You can make money by investing in very risky positions. Now, hear me out. Over 20% of millennials get their financial advice from Reddit. Now, that's very scary and very risky, considering that Reddit is not the best place for people to be looking for financial advice. And mostly what you find on Reddit is Wall Street bets, NFTs, ETFs, and all of these millennials will be funneling their money into these very risky asset classes. And they'll shift their older generation's blue chip stocks for long-term and creating dividends or slow income. They might sell that and transfer it down to more risky stocks like NFTs, cryptocurrency, and very high volatile options. Now, some of these businesses might have a slow adjustment period from now until around 2030 to 2035. This means that a lot of these companies might be really cheap and worth a lot more in the long run. You just need to buy now, find really good investments, and hold it for the long run. Next thing is millennials are notorious for not buying houses or any necessities right now. Getting all this money from their older generations, it might have them buy necessities like houses and cars and things that they actually need. So the real estate market is probably going to go up. And like I said earlier, millennials love cryptocurrency. Over 83% of them hold it in their portfolios. That means things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and even new cryptocurrencies and riskier ones like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. Some of the new cryptocurrencies that I like and I think millennials are going to start investing in is DVPN. It secures your connection and you can start making money with it right now. Come check out that video and I'll see you guys over there.